नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome everyone, all the Sarvajñapita Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, YouTube subscribers, everyone sitting with us through YouTube Live, Twitter Live, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I'll continue to expand on Adinam Chalo series, the deeper understandings about Shaktipada. I don't have any information whether all of you had bath in the Vaidya Sarovar. Blessings. That's wonderful. This is another one important information about Shaktipada. It starts when you start living Guru Vak. Yes, the Vaidya Sarovar may not be complete, but because you started it, you will see it will become complete. And precisely what Sadashiva wanted you to achieve by taking bath in the large water body, you will achieve that result. You will achieve that result. See, this whole campus, I am evolving precisely as Sadashiva wanted. Few hundred banyan trees to increase the level of prana, few thousand sandalwood trees to keep the purity of the air. The sandalwood trees we don't plant, they just come up on their own. That's the way it all came up. I never planted a single tree. I only did one thing, going for evening walk, that's all. Only once you start doing, things will reach perfection. Never you will perfect and start. No, that doesn't happen. When I started coming and staying in this property, all my well-wishers and devotees, they are very sincere devotees, not that they are against me or they have anything wrong. Very sincere devotees. But literally begging me, Swamiji, don't go and stay there, who will come there? Not even a room or restroom exists. There was no restroom or room in this whole property. There was only one wall and a small top covered on it with 3 sides open, where 2-3 cows used to be tied. Not even a goshala, just cow shed. That was all this property had. Full of bush, thorns, few thousand snakes, which escaped from the snake park which was run in this very property before we came. Before we came here, it was a snake park where they were breeding snakes for the sake of venom, all venomous snakes, because they used to extract venom and sell for medicines. The previous owner had a venomous snake park here. When he handed over the property to me, he said, Swamiji, we had around 3,000 venomous snakes. When we were shifting, 800 escaped. And I asked where they are. He said, somewhere here only, they are all there. And so can I take leave? It was night 10:30. And I was all by myself with 2 cows and 1 calf. And not even any staff or workers to take care of the cows. And I said, all right, come on, let's have fun. All the well-wishers and devotees, they really, really do not want me to stay in this property. They were saying, no, no, no. Let us make it livable and then you go and live there. I said, no, it will never happen. If I start going and living, only then it will become livable. Living makes it livable, not once it is livable, you go and live. No. Still now, in this whole few thousand acres, we are the only living mechanism, living organism. We are the only life happening here. Understand? Not only I am blessing you, I am telling you the truth, you guys will be successful. Not only that, now I can introduce everything precisely as Sadashiva wanted. Let's have a beautiful big yoga hall in the front of Vaidya Sarovar, where 108 Malakambas and Shivastambas and 108 Kundalini rope is available. So you will all do. Understand, only if you are really, really old, means above 80, and really can't do ordinary yoga on the floor. Otherwise, learn slowly, slowly to get into the Shivastamba or Kundalini Rajju. Learn. That's the way life starts. That's the way things happen. With all the protection and care, with all the teachers, start learning. I wanted all the kids to go national, international level competition, win medals and come in Shivastamba Yoga and Kundalini Rajju. I know enough attention is not being given, but now I will give the attention and make it happen. Understand, not only learning, practicing and being a teacher, being adepts in this field. Come on, a sannyasi should have his body completely in his control. My balasans, you guys are sannyasis. Learn to keep the body completely under your control. Be tough. Sickness is not cute. Tiredness is not cute. Chronic fatigue is not cute. If you sleep in the daytime, you are physically sick. If you don't sleep in the night time, you are mentally sick. If you sleep in the daytime, you are physically weak. If you don't sleep in the night time, you are mentally weak. Both need to be healed. Both need to be healed. Both need to be addressed. Morning spiritual routine will address everything. It will clean up everything. The new species, new beings I am producing through our Gurukul should have a complete, healthy, beautiful, well-built body. I am designing your whole routine and food, everything as per this list. I am taking a lot of Ayurvedic inputs from the masters in that field who has Shastra background and expertise. I am taking all their inputs, designing your food, snack, even sweets. Understand, in Hindu tradition, every season, for each festival, we have a specific sweet to be prepared and served. All these have a very deep connection with our health. If you are a living Hindu, you will be healthy. That's all I am telling you. When Ganesh Chaturthi comes, make all those sweets related to Ganesha and eat. Each festival, make whatever need to be made for those deities, for those sweets or food. A huge Goshala where all of you can experience Goseva, experience the beautiful biomemory and muscle memory as per the vision of Sadashiva, living, radiating, manifesting his state, space and powers. Understand everything Sadashiva always wanted for a happy, healthy humanity, we will create here. Not just physical, physiological and psychological, even in conscious level, all the prana pratishta, Sadashiva wanted for a happy, healthy, blissful, conscious society to exist. We will do all of that here as a model piece. I know by the time I generate this model city, I'll create enough of inspired people who will reproduce this all over the world. Even though I have not produced as on now enough of inspired people to build this Veda Agamic cities all over the world, soon, very soon, I will create inspired people and reproduce this Vedagamic cities. You just need to make it in one place and show it to the world that it is possible. You just have to produce, create in one place and make it and show it to the world that it is possible. Then it is possible. Just like Maharshi tried, surely he was successful in many things. He created Maharshi Vedic cities all over the world. We will create Nityananda Vedagamic cities all over the world. Not just Vedagamic universities, Vedagamic cities. We just need to show it to the world. The great, beautiful results. The great, beautiful results. Then world will just follow. World is waiting for making Sadashiva's vision into reality. World is really waiting. It's waiting for making Sadashiva's vision into reality. World is tired of toxic lifestyle. It is our responsibility to relieve people from the biggest corruption happened in the human history. See, the biggest corruption happened in the human history is concept called money. Not that $1 billion corruption, $1 trillion corruption. Dollar is corruption. Biggest slavery happened on the planet Earth is power centers, whether legitimate or illegitimate. Power centers are the biggest manipulations. Currency is the biggest corruption. The cosmic communism. See, possess is capitalism, chronic capitalism. Neither possess nor own, communism. Own but don't possess is responsibilism. Owning it. I'm owning this place. That is why so much of development work is going on. Making. I'm owning it, but not possessing it. Making it as better day by day and opening it to more and more people. I'm making this place better and better day by day and opening it to more and more people. Understand? Bringing all the best intelligence and making Sadashiva's vision into reality. Bringing all the best intelligence and making Sadashiva's vision into reality. I'll build Neo Madurai, Neo Thiruvannamalai all over the world. Like how ISKCON tried to build Neo Vrindavan, Neo Mathura all over the world. I'll bring Neo Madurai and Neo Tiruvannamalais all over the world. World is waiting for Vedagamic revival. It's our responsibility. We will introduce Sadashiva's vision for humanity through proper power manifestations. Power manifestation is to introduce the state and space of Sadashiva to the humanity. It is to introduce precisely what humanity always wanted, but never did it for various reasons. So now Sadashiva has decided to take the responsibility of making it happen by directly involving. Understand, just giving the vision document is not enough. He needs to get into the mission. Everything I am doing here, don't think Vaidya Sarovar is a small tank I am building. Goshala is small animal husbandry I am building. No. Each one of them are ideological atom bomb. This Vaidya Sarovar is not one Vaidya Sarovar. It is the concept of Vaidya Sarovar Sadashiva wanted, a model Vaidya Sarovar. By the time we are ready with this and show it to the world, the benefits of this, we will have thousands of inspired people to build all this everywhere, all over the world. Same way, by the time we have our Goshala with few thousand cows, the Go Mandir, it is not just one animal husbandry we are building. We are building a concept-based Go Mandir, where by the time we are ready here to show it as model piece, showcase, thousands will be inspired all over the world and it will be reproduced just like that. We will be exporting Desi cows, Desi breed cows from our Goshala. We will be sending ships of carved stones for creating temples, flights of Desi breed cows to fill the Go Mandirs, heaps of banyan tree saplings to be planted all over the world as our branches. Terabytes and terabytes of spiritual teachings, classes, books, materials through the internet to the whole world. And tons of superconscious oneness to the whole universe. Billions of enlightened beings manifesting Sadashivatva to the whole cosmos. Understand, we are not creating just a place. Along with the place, we are creating a space. We are creating a space along with the place. Nityananda Vedagamic cities and universities all over the world to to make Sadashiva's vision document real. Sadashiva's vision document for the world is Agamas, making them real through the Shaktipada, making them real through our lifestyle, making them as real by living it, is our vision and mission. So with this, I'll continue to expand on more details in further Satsang Sanadinam Chalo series. Today I wanted the Sadashivatva participants, batch 2, to have the next sessions, next level sessions, and then the Adinavasis. Still many of you have not taken the responsibilities on your teams. Today let's spend a little time on evolving your teams and responsibilities. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.